Hey, what's up everyone, this is Rafal, and today I'm working on a tiny whoop drone. This is a BeeBrain V2. It's one of those small drones that has a camera and you can fly around the house. In this case I'm flying around the office. It's pretty fun. But you can see here that camera connector got ripped off on one of the crashes, and I figured I would just probably cut these wires and just solder them directly to the pads. And if I need to change the camera at one point, you know, resoldering 3 wires is not a big deal. So let's get right into it. So first thing, I'm going to unscrew these screws and get the board out. I don't want to melt the plastic. And since this is the new BeeBrain V2, you can actually disconnect the top or slide it off. There we go. Have this quick connect thing. Although, look, it actually ripped off the connector. Interesting. Maybe all these crashes I had did affect something like iPhone 6 Plus bending issue. Let's fix this. So I'm going to work on this connector here. This seems to just slide off. Okay. And then these connectors just come out from the pads, so I think it will be okay just to slide it like that and just resolder these back to the board. And apply a little bit of flux. And use some leaded solder. It would be nice to have some kind of jig for this. Alright. So this should be now nice and strong. I'm not going to do that here because you can see they actually snapped. I don't have that connector, and soldering to these pads will be definitely a way better solution for me. Let's just disconnect. Oh, actually I can just cut these wires. Alright, so the connector was plugged in this way, so we're gonna do red, black, white. Alright, so first I'm going to clean these pads here from this junk. Put some leaded solder. Make some more space. Alright, so the drone is assembled. I'm getting the picture in my goggles. Let's see how it flies. Seems alright. Alright, so the drone works. This is going to be a more permanent solution. Worst case scenario, if I have to replace the camera, want to upgrade, I can just resolder that. Have never seen these, they're really cool. You can fly around the office with the goggles on. If you have multiple drones you can race, it's pretty cool. But if you have the BeeBrain V2 and you're disassembling these boards, be careful because those connectors are not that strong there, so keep that in mind. If you want to see more drone videos, leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bam!